Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I want to tell you all about this adorable hat that I found from REDESS. Now, I am a total hat person, especially when the weather gets colder, and this beanie not only keeps me warm, but it's also very comfortable to wear for extended periods of time, and I love the way it looks. It has the waffle check design that gives it a little texture. The fabric is soft and durable, and on the inside it's lined with a soft, comfy material that will make you feel like you're wrapped in a blanket all day. This hat comes in many different styles and colors, and I know that you're going to find one that matches your personality and style. I think this hat is just perfect, and I think I want hundreds of them to go with every outfit. I love the little slouch in the back, and that you can wear this beanie whether I'm dressed up or dressed down. So if you're a beanie lover like me and you're looking for your next favorite one, then I really think that you should try this adorable beanie hat from REDESS. And that's my point of view.